Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can unsubscribe on YouTube on your YouTube all at once. So if you want to unsubscribe all the channels that you are currently subscribed to on your YouTube, what you can do. So first let us go on your YouTube. Just type in the youtube.com/feed/channels. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and go to your YouTube homepage and then just click onto the subscription on the left side panel of your screen. And after doing so, just go ahead and click onto the manage button at the upper right part of your screen, and it will lead you to this window right here. So you will be able to see the channels, or all the channels that you are subscribed or currently subscribed. So if you want to unsubscribe some channels one by one, you can go ahead and do that by clicking onto the subscribe button and then clicking unsubscribe at the down menu. But if you want to unsubscribe all of these YouTube channels all at once, what you can do is just right click on any part of the screen right here and then just select the inspect part or section, and this window will pop up after you do that. And in here, just click onto the console part, go to the console part, and you will see this part right here where there's a blinking cursor. So if you already done this, you can go ahead and search this article right here on a different tab on your browser. So this is the link. And what you are going to do is just scroll down until you see this section right here, this code right here. So what we're going to do with this is to simply copy all of this, just Control C, and then go back to the YouTube, and then in here in this section, just paste the code, and then just click on to the enter. So this gonna do is this will unsubscribe all the channels that you're currently subscribed in on YouTube, as you can see right here. So you will see this. There are These are the channels that is you have subscribed before and now is unsubscribed. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.